All right, and here we go. Second example for confidence intervals for means. In this website, we went to the website fueleconomy.gov, which allows drivers to report the miles per gallon of their vehicle. We took a random sample of 16 Chevy Impalas, and their miles per gallon were recorded in the table below. We're going to use this to obtain a 99% confidence interval for the mean gas mileage of all Chevy Impalas. So we are looking at 16 Chevy Impalas, and we want to obtain a 99% confidence interval. One of the differences here is we have raw data instead of given statistics. I'm going to insert a page real quick. Okay, there we go. Otherwise, it's going to keep moving. So we have raw data. We need to do something with that. Let's look at this guy first. So 99% unshaded, nope, 99% confidence level. Leaves 1% unshaded. So that 1% unshaded would be our alpha. So then the only other value that I get straight from the scenario, the paragraph, is that my sample size is 16. The other values I need to go find. So I'm going to take my data and I'm going to go into my summary statistics workbook and I'm going to plug it in, and I've already done that to save a little bit of time. So here's all of the data plugged in. So I'm going to come over. X bar is 36.8 and S is 2.9171. So I typed the data into my summary statistics so that I could find the sample mean and the sample standard deviation. Once I have that, then I can go ahead and find the confidence interval. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one just straight into Excel so that you can see what I'm expecting if all you're doing is a question using Excel and you don't do it by hand. So this is how you would start. So now I have my Excel workbook and I would say, okay, we have a sample mean of 36.8. Our S is 2.9171. Our N is 16. And our confidence level is 0.99. So if you're doing this straight in Excel, all you have to write down is your lower bound and your upper bound from Excel. And that's the 6 is going to round the 9. And then do your interpretation. So you get this from Excel, and then you interpret it. And this is the same whether that you're doing a problem with a mean or a proportion, and you're using Excel. Pull it from Excel, the lower bound and the upper bound, and interpret it. So we are 99% confident that the average gas mileage of all Chevy Impalas, woo, what happened there? Is between 30 34.651 miles per gallon. That's my unit, miles per gallon. And 38.949 miles per gallon. So miles per gallon, how many miles can you drive on 1 gallon of gas? So I'm 99% confident that if I'm driving a Chevy Impala, I can get between 34.651 and 38.949 miles per gallon. And that's what you need to do if you have raw data instead of given statistics. And that's also what you need to do if you're just going to go straight into Excel and not do all of the by hand steps. If you would like to see more examples on how to do this by hand, please reach out and come to office hours, or schedule an appointment with me if you are unable to come to office hours, if you would like to see more of how to do these by hand. But that is confidence intervals for means with raw data.